It's not what you guys think. So this tape, this is from Eau Claire, and it's supposed to help you not snore and get a better sleep. So maybe we should start taping. So there's studies that say that you breathe out of your nose, then you'll get better sleep, and all the things. So maybe I should put this on somebody else's mouth, and I'll get better sleep because I look really tired. But we're gonna try these tonight. I'm sure there's comments from the peanut gallery that, yeah, tape her mouth shut, but it's tape it for sleep.